Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Today is Wednesday, December 7th. This one's going to be a little bit different, probably going to be a little bit shorter today. I'm just going to talk about the S&P 500 mainly for today. But stocks were pretty much down. It was a little bit mixed, but for the most part, they were down today. And a lot of people are starting to, or investors rather, are starting to kind of price in the possibility of one, having a higher terminal federal funds rate than previously expected at about 5%, and two, the possibility of that federal funds rate, the terminal federal funds rate rather, being at its peak for a longer period of time before the Fed actually starts cutting rates. And the reason for that, there are a couple things, but one of them is just because the job market continues to be stronger than expected. And while that is kind of like a lagging, or not even kind of, that is a lagging indicator of the rate hikes, the market isn't really seeing it that way. So stocks also they bounced off of our trend line, which technically that was what we expected from a technical standpoint. We're kind of coming to the bottom of that zone around the 3,900. The bottom of that zone's at 38.91 or 38.95, but we'll round up to 3,900, kind of approaching the bottom of that support level. We could see some buying from there, maybe. And if we do, maybe it'll come back into somewhere around the 39.75 or even a 4,000 would make sense. Almost touch that trend line again, get back to the 4,000, which is like a psychological level, and then I would expect us to continue to come back down. So it is still looking bearish on the S&P 500. It kind of looks like we're forming that next leg down, whether that comes down into the lows from before or we head into a new kind of low that we will have to wait and see. But right now, I have my eyes on the 3250 as a possible level for the market to come back down to. So in Bitcoin's still flat, really. It's been consolidating. I expect that if this sell-off gets more aggressive, Bitcoin will fall with it, as the two have been correlated as far as the movements on a daily basis go. But yeah, that's really all I have today. I'm sorry that this one's a little bit shorter. I had a lot of other things going on today, so hopefully tomorrow it'll be a little bit longer again, but wanted to get something out there of value. I hope everyone had a great day. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.